Hey guys, it's Noah from 3DPrinterOS, and I'm here to show you how to get your raw 3D files on your build plate and in your hands using our cloud client 3DPrinterOS. This basic tutorial will walk you through at the very least what is needed to print using our software. First off, if you run into any problems, make sure the account used in the 3DPrinterOS application you downloaded is the same as your online account, so as to avoid any printer detection problems. And once you're signed in, make sure to kill conveyor service if prompted. It's a background service that will restart and you can proceed. Upload 3D files from most cloud services or from your PC directly. .stl is the recognized format, so make sure before uploading you've converted. Select Choose File, navigate to your object, and hit Upload, then Save. Make sure that you use the STL editor for precision adjustments. Here, we will resize our duck to 50% of the original size and rotate it how we want it. Hitting Save will apply all transformations. After our duck has its proper dimensions and position, we will go into Magic Fix, select our printer, hit Fix to ensure the maximum compatibility with our printer. Once we Magic Fix, it's time to slice. Layer thickness is your print resolution. A more fine resolution is a greater quality, but it also takes longer to print than a lower quality resolution, closer to 0.3 millimeters here. Shell thickness is the thickness of your walls that border the infill in millimeters. Infill percent is the last simple category, which deals with the material within the object's shell, what would be the insides of the duck. 100% infill is completely filled with material leaving no holes, and 25% infill will create a more hollow infill pattern. Select the material you're printing with, then select Start. When the slice is finished, you have converted your object into a set of printer commands called G-code. G-code is the printable version of your object, and you're ready to go. Happy printing!